Hi everyone, this is Nathan, and I just want to say what the new factory will look like. I don't know fully what it's going to look like, but I have some ideas. So here's how it'll work for operations. That's why I'm going to do it for operations only, or just running it for fun, or whatever you like to call it. Basically, the train is going to start here with this, I call it the sign that doesn't exist, because it'll be under a tunnel, covered up, and I could take off trains off and on. So what will happen is I put a train on here with some steel and some coal, and it'll come all the way to here. And basically where you see coal and metal, I probably misspelled that, but anyway, this is where the coal is going to be on this track, and metal is going to be right here. And then it's going to go to this siding all the way to where it says M for metal and coal for C. And then when they are emptied, they're going to go on this siding to be transported back to the industry to get some more coal and steel. And then the reason why that's happening is because the factory is going to make the train where it says factory for trains. And when that's done, it's going to go to two places. The paint shop for both each locomotive, because it could be pretty busy. And then once that's done, it's going to be transported to a siding, this one, for new trains. And then those trains are going to be shipped when the siding is full, or when they need a certain locomotive. I'm just going to probably make the same engine, but I'm going to put some add-ons just so that I can reuse in the factory as a pretend way of saying like they're making more than usual. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do for the plan. And basically all the trains are coming back to the same place right here. It's starting all over again. So yeah, I hope this is entertaining for a new factory idea. The reason why I'm going to do some operations is because I think it'll be fun, and just because for something different. And who knows, I might make this I can take anywhere. So we'll truly see what happens. So yeah, this is Saint Denis saying goodbye and have a very awesome day.